In a world where colors vanished, a lone artist painted with whispers of forgotten hues. "Why do you paint?" asked a curious shadow. "To remember," replied the artist, dipping a brush into a memory of green. Each stroke revived a symphony of life as creatures returned to dance in harmony. "Without diversity, we fade," the artist mused, watching a butterfly flutter by. The shadow nodded, understanding the delicate balance. As the canvas filled, the world brightened, a testament to nature's tapestry. "Preserve it," the artist urged, "for every shade matters." Hit like, subscribe, and comment to support us.